Neil Bauer is going to talk about what after pull request channel. So when I saw he started talking about, I was saying, should I continue with my lightning talk? Because I've never given any lightning talk. It's really, I feel very scared compared to giving a 20 minutes talk. You have plenty of time to calm your, oh my God, you're scaring me. Okay. Okay, so that means next time I'm not giving any lightning talk. 20 minutes talk is what I'm made for. Anyway, this pull request channel challenge is very close to my heart. I remember when Neil Bauer started this in 2015, and I was one of the guys who very happily accepted it without realizing that how difficult it's going to be. And I remember when I received my first challenge distribution, I was so scared. I talked to my wife. See, Neil Bauer gave me a distribution. I have no idea what to do with it. And this is my first channel. I don't want to make a fool of myself. So what to do? As she said, I know nothing about your pearls. You go and deal your problem. I don't understand. And there was no moral support from my wife. I thought she would say, okay, don't worry, calm down. You have 1 month time to find out something. But my daughter, she was 7 years old that time. And she said, Daddy, don't worry. You'll find out something or the other. And I did find something to do. And that's how I started. When I did my first one, and I started liking it. But at the same time, I always had the fear, what if I miss a particular month? Because I had right from the day one, I said, no matter what, I'm not going to miss a single month. No matter how long this challenge is going to carry on. And that was my challenge. Every time I get, and I remember only once when I received my regular monthly distribution, I couldn't find a single thing. So I went back to Neil Bauer saying, Neil, I can't find anything to do with this distribution. Can you replace it? So he gave me something else. So that's the option you have. And that's how I continued doing it since then. And I remember when on 1st of January 2018, when I saw a blog from Neil Bauer saying, okay, that's it. This is the last year I'm doing pull request channel. I said, what, are you joking? I said, no, I'm not joking, I'm serious. And then I thought maybe it's just to start early days, maybe after a month or so, he'll change his mind. And I said, no, don't worry, I'm going to carry on. But then he wrote another blog saying, okay, what after pull request channel? And he's serious, that means. No, he's really serious that he's thinking about what's going to happen after the pull request channel. And while he was discussing this, I came across a guy called Kiwan, or I don't know how you pronounce it, Kiwan Yazan. And I met this guy on Twitter. So I've never met him personally. And I came across that he's working on something to replace pull request channel. And this is what he came up with. He came up with something called Pull Request Club. And the last update I had from him was he's completed his website where people can go and register your GitHub user ID. Do it. Similar kind of pull request channel, but I've not gone into the detail. So I think once this pull request channel is going to over, I'll have something to continue my favorite time pass of the month. So thank you, Neil Bauer, for doing such a lovely thing, and it's changed my life. I mean, submitting a pull request, you won't believe it, it makes such a big difference as a developer. It's unbelievable. I've learned a lot just submitting the pull request. And by doing that, I've started another journey where I said I'm going to submit pull requests every day, once a month, one pull request every day in a month. And that's another channel. And so far I've been successful. So up until now, I've not missed a single day in this 2018 where I've submitted one pull request every day. So my target is by end of December 18, I should have one pull request every day in this whole year. That's the challenge. So hopefully I'm going to complete that channel. So thank you very much.